Welcome back. Today's topic is discussing the BT-50 versus the BT-55 cone tube. Today I want you to take special attention and take a look and see what this gold colored cone tube does when we switch from BT-50 to BT-55. There were several concerns about that. When selecting BT-55, you will notice that this shape right here will actually increase in diameter. And in doing so, when we now have it at BT-55, you can see the physical size of the tube is greater, which means the diameter of our nose cone, transition cone here, also has to increase in size. And what that does for us is when we take a look at our Outputs tab, several of you are receiving, as was discussed in the other video, you'll be receiving a red documentation up here warning you against a BT-50. If we make that adjustment here, this portion right here, and we go back and we take a look at the Outputs tab, by it becoming smaller in diameter, we end up with a more narrow radius here. This is designed to fit a smaller tube, and here's that red that we're concerned about. So, for us to be successful in our launch, the best scenario for us to do is to pick that BT-55, apply that, watch the size of that increase in diameter. It adjusts on our transition cone, and then when we go to Outputs tab, things will adjust. Again, that radius is significantly different here, and we notice that there's no red documentation. Either way, a BT-50 or a BT-55 will provide us an in-spec reading. It does not matter. The only difference will be that the internal volume of a BT-50 is smaller than a BT-55. So our only concern would be that our parachute may not deploy if we have a small internal volume, meaning we have a BT-50. Go ahead and take the opportunity and save the work that you are working in this save function, and then go ahead and print. The print again function, as we go here, we would print pages 2 to 2. We do not need our fins again. The fins are not required. We just simply need the second page right down here. So for those people that are looking for that, go ahead and do that. Again, main office and properties would be actual size. Thank you for viewing.